Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you joining us today. I am Diptanil Shin.
And I am Kanaya Karmakar. Today's topic is one that silently shapes every product you have ever loved: invisible UX.
And technology works so seamlessly that you don't even notice the design. That's invisible UX. It's not about flashy visuals or complicated layouts. It's about making the experience effortless, intuitive, and smooth.
Now, before we dive in, here's a quick look at how the session will unfold. We'll start with a short introduction to the concept of invisible UX. Then, we'll explore how it shows up in real world application and products we use every day. After that, we have a special keynote session by our speaker, Mr. Swastik Bose, who will take us through his insights and experiences. Once he is done, we'll open the floor for some questions and interactions. And finally, we'll wrap things up on a fun note with a quick quiz and some exciting surprises for our participants. A little surprise from our side is that a few lucky participants from today's session will receive a free registration to our upcoming event, UI-HEIST.
We're honored to have with us Swastik Bose, an accomplished UX and product designer who has consistently pushed the boundaries of user-centric design, product design lead at Metaborong CDO at Xetch, and an ex-UX and front-end dev at Team Code Design. He is a Web3 and AI UX designer, crafting experiences where complex tech meets clean, intuitive design, and is a proud alum of Academy of Technology.
Today, he'll share lessons, frameworks, and insights from his journey in the tech and design space. Swastikda, the platform is all yours.
Okay. Yeah, thank you guys for the lovely introduction. So, uh, let me share my screen first. Is it visible?
Yeah, yeah.
So you guys have already introduced me, so I'll not just go to the brief. So, just from my side, hi everyone, I'm Swastik. I'm a product designer. I'm mainly focused on Web3 and AI UX design, and I have been working with Metaborong as a lead product designer and currently building my own design studio that is called Sketch, not Xtech. It's something like tricky name, I know, like, but it's called the Sketch. That means sketching with X Factor. And yeah, that's all about me. So let's move to the topic. So today's topic is invisible UX. So you can see like this is something getting invisible. So anybody have any idea like what is invisible UX before going to the topic? Like anything? What do you think? Come on,
Something
guys.
that is hidden, but it is means it's not shown fully, but it is very useful. Means it is in the background. When you hover over it, we can see it.
Yeah, so it's something like that's invisible that doesn't take much effort to do. So like whatever app we use, whatever website we use in our daily life, like Uber, Ola, Rapido, or Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Make My Trip, anything, Airbnb, everything has some interaction. Like we have to click something, we have to select options, we have to like enter some text. Based on that, they will provide us some output, some suggestions that you can pick this, and based on our own preference, we pick any particular option. So that is the basic UX we everyday face, right? So invisible UX is something that doesn't take much effort to do that manual work, like selecting options or having like any cognitive load inside any screen. It's very effortless, and it will just take the context from you and set the goals from your side and give you output, handle all the complications inside the back end of the product, and that's all. That is called the invisible UX. So before jumping into the topic, let's see what is the current scenario, what we have currently in our daily life. as I say, like Make My Trip, Airbnb. So you can see like there in Make My Trip and Airbnb, there are some options, right? In Airbnb, like you have to select the destination, like select the check-in date and check-out date and the guest numbers, and based on that, you they will filter the preferable options you can have, and from there you select whatever you can afford. So the rooms and the hotels from this side. And Make My Trip, the same story here is also, like if you want to go if you want to travel somewhere from your city to another city, you have to select that, you have to choose the date, departure date, and any other like add-ons you want, like hotels, homestays. And based on this, you have to trigger the search button, and they will just show you the result, and then you have to choose the options. Let's see few more. So these are some familiar interfaces, right? Uber and Rapido. Here, the same story. You have to select where you have to go, and from there, they will suggest you the fair price, and there you have to choose that. You have to bargain with your possible captains. So these are some basic UX we face in our daily life. So what's the difference? What's new in the UX industry? So uh, so currently whatever we use, that is based on Gen AI UX. This is the era of Gen AI UX, and it started near about 2020, and it have a end in 2024. So what is Gen AI UX? Everyone use ChatGPT, Grok, Sora, and any other AI tools like Claude, anything you use in your everyday purpose, to do assignments, to ask questions, or anything in daily life purposes. So that these things are like Gen AI, generative AI. They can generate anything, which you have to give it them prompt. You have to guide them what you actually what is your actual requirement. Based on that, they provide you the output, right? So that is called Gen AI. So a few years ago, there was a boom of Gen AI. Everyone is building some AI tool. Everyone is building some AI assistant. Like you can see, in Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart, everyone has their own AI assistant to guide users to fulfill their requirement. If I go to the Myntra and I want to search some dress, I can just click the picture, take some screenshot, click the picture, or describe what color of dress I want, what type of dress I want, and then the Myntra chatbot guide us to that particular product categories, catalogs. Then we can choose. So these are Gen AI. So now, what's the difference? What's the new thing in the market? That is the agentic AI. So, how many of you know what is a AI agent? What is the agentic AI? Anybody from AIML domain, or anyone? I guess you everyone have some developer profile. So anyone can explain what is agentic AI?
A special type of AI that is actually created or trained to do stuff and different steps without with minimal human interactions.
Okay, so can you please elaborate how it is different with Gen AI, like generative AI? What's the difference?
Generative AI actually generates stuff like Sora or Nano Banana of Google, but agentic AI actually does the stuff for us, like Gemini's live mode and when it connects everything with Google Workspaces, etc.
Okay, so yeah, so that's fine. So here comes one more terminology. Have you heard about MCP? MCP servers. That's quite in discussion. Model context protocols. Anyone? Okay, so let me go with that. Model context protocols are something that actually takes context from you, like what is your main environment or main surrounding, based on which you want some results, you want something to research, or something you can discuss. So that is the context, right? So you have to give your AI assistant a context of everything you want, and based on that, they can iterate multiple things, multiple outputs on your requirements. That is something related to agentic UI. So I can give you some examples, like like you have faced these kind of issues, like you are talking about buying a new iPhone with your friend, or with your like any family member in any WhatsApp group, like I am going to buy a new iPhone in this big billion days, and suddenly you see, if you scroll Facebook or Instagram or any other social app, you are getting ads of buying an iPhone with some sale, with some price drop, anything. Have you faced these kind of things in your daily lives? Anyone? I guess you have faced. Yeah. So that's something. So whenever you are on something, your surrounding application can actually get that data and suggest that kind of stuff to you. So that is something that is relying upon RAG models, like RAG models and model context protocols. Actually, they could take context from your daily activities and suggest things that is actually your requirement in your requirement list. So yeah, recommendation systems. So that is that's all part of the agentic AI. So AI agent can take reference from your daily activities. They can take reference from any data set you have, and they can automate the things for you, and they can make things effortless for you. So that's what actually agent AI does. And as the industry is moving towards this agent AI so much, so as a designer, we have to move there. We have to adapt that UX patterns also. So now the era is on agent AI UX, and it's just started last year or this year, and it will be going, I guess, the forward few decades, or maybe there could be some new trends, but it's now in the hot topic. So everyone is working on that. If anyone is in Salesforce or have done any Salesforce course, they have some automations on agent AI or related stuffs. Like AI is everywhere. Agent AI can automate your anything. Like if you are a marketer, if you are you are in PR, if you are in marketing team, you can automate your entire marketing process through agentic AI. Anyone have uses N8, the automation tool? I guess no. So yeah, so there are some automation tools that could turn your requirements into some process-wise flows that can automate things for you. Like you just have to set the context, and they will automate everything. So suppose you want to post on LinkedIn in every day 6 a.m. or 6 p.m. any time. So you can just create a flow of AI agent. They will automate and post on behalf of you on your LinkedIn profile every day. So that crazy things can be done with agent AI. So how to shape that user experience for everyone, for the mass users? That is the topic on agent AI UX. So let's get some examples. I guess you have used these things, but I think you haven't you are not aware of that. This is called the this is called the invisible UX. If anyone here is I guess plenty of people have iPhones in their hands, and they have the face ID verification in their applications in like Google Pay or Cred or any other application that contains sensitive data, even in the lock systems. So you see, whenever you are opening your Google Pay, they are taking if you have set your face ID verification, they will just take your face. They will just capture your face, and they will open the application. You don't have to enter any passcode, any password for to open that application. So that's kind of seamless interaction. Like you don't have to do anything. You just have to look on your screen. They will automatically process the thing, and they will open the application for you. So that's one example of invisible UX. there is no effort. You have to just look at the screen, look at the like front camera, and they will access for you. And after that, there is one more example, like in the Google Maps, you see if you enter like your current destination and some or one more destination you want to go. Like you can see like one is Dum Dum Metro and one is Barakpur railway station. This is the route, and they're suggesting like this is the route, this is the blue line, you can go on this line. And there are some traffic in few places. You can see some yellow areas, you can see some red areas. Yellow means like mild traffic area, so you can face traffic. They are suggesting that you can have traffic there, and they are suggesting you can have like a major traffic in this area. So that is something we didn't ask for. They are like automatically suggesting us that this route have this traffic condition, and it will like take 55 minutes of time to cover the entire route. So that is called invisible UX, right? So like the internal system software automates things, and they will suggest based on your requirement how many time it will take to reach toward your destination. We didn't ask for it. So that's one more example. And there is one more like a very common example in Spotify. Like if you play any song, if you play any playlist, and the playlist ends on its last stop, so this song doesn't get stopped to play. It will automatically redirect to the next playlist or next similar playlist. If you are playing any sad playlist or sad song playlist, they will end that playlist and they will not stop. They will redirect you to another similar kind of emotional playlist. So that is invisible, right? We don't have to interact with the screen. They automatically redirect you to the next possible playlist. That is one more example on invisible UX. So till now, anyone have any confusion? Anything? Okay, so let's proceed. See, now you can have some questions like invisible UX, like audio and gestures could also be some example, right? I guess few of you have Amazon Alexa, Siri installed in your home, right? To turn on light, turn off AC, turn off fan, anything. I guess a few of you have that kind of setup, or even if not have, I guess we can do that kind of smart device setup in our home. So that is also one kind of invisible UX. And also the AR VR controller, the Vision Pro. If you put on that goggles and want to play some games, you can play on real 3D using your gestures, using your finger movements, hand movements. You can play games on 3D space. That's on AR VR side, right? So these are very common examples, and if anyone is studying about invisible UX, they will have these two interaction in their mind at first glance. But it's not only about audio and gesture controls. There are a few more applications we have, and can anyone suggest what could be the more application of invisible UX, like uh, apart from this audio and gesture controls? Like you can think it's not that tough. Get that examples. Anyone have any clue? You can guess also. Any wild guesses?
Application names in Spotify.
Particularly audio, like as I say, like Siri and Alexa, they have audio based interaction. Like I have to say, Alexa, turn on the light, turn off the light, and based on that they perform the action. And gesture control means if you put the Vision Pro glasses and you have to just move your gestures, you move your hands, and the screen will change, the things will move and everything. So like that, can you identify a few more examples of user controls, like audio and gesture? You have
Uh,
quite used in your daily life.
Earpods.
How?
The sensors there can, if we tap, then it's pause and play. Then we can control the sounds with double tap.
Yeah, that's a nice observation. Anything else? No, it's not like it's always have to be softwares. It could be hardwares also, like doors, lifts, metro doors, uh, cars. Like how? Can you explain? Okay, so
Uh, NFC enabled credit and debit cards can be an
yeah,
example.
exactly. That's also some example of invisible. Like you have to just just touch your card to the the person you are want to share your links, and they will just automatically get your links or redirected to your website, redirected to your profile, anything. So apart from that, there are more. Like I guess,
Our touchpad,
sorry.
laptop's touchpad.
Yeah, laptop touchpad is something we have to interact, right? Directly with our fingers. We have to see things. We have to. Currently, I am like moving. I am also having interacting with my gesture. I have to press that stop pressing stop the screen share.
Like the zoom in, like the zoom in, zoom out, those scroll
Yeah,
and all.
that could be like a minor example, but there are some major examples that actually you use in your daily life. See, like you travel with metro, right? You see the metro doors. Like if you are standing in the middle of platform in the metro compartment, the door will not close until you get in or get out from the metro. There are sensors, right, that will send
Yeah,
detect.
I was yeah, hello.
Yeah, yeah,
Hello, Swastik. Yeah, I was telling that about the self-driven cars. You have seen in US like self-driven cars.
yeah.
They like have
Okay, so yeah, that could be an example also. Like Tesla, they have some cars, so that is also an invisible UX. And as I say, like metro doors or any five-star hotel or restaurants, you have seen like if you step the foot on the near to the door will automatically open for you. So these are some kind of sensors. They are detecting like someone is passing through the door, so we have to open. So these are some invisible UX. You don't have to pull or push the door; they will automatically open for you. Elevators. So everything is on invisible UX, effortless interaction. So that's what the broader scope we can explore, like audio gesture, apart from that sensor or context aware automations. As I say about N810, if you guys haven't heard about that, you can definitely try that. It's a great tool. Oh, nice. Hi, Vishak. How are you? Vishak is here. He's he's a friend of mine. He's a very good developer. Thanks, man, for attending. So yeah, so what I'm saying, like N810, these tool actually helps to create automations. So see, these are some kind of flows. Like you can set your own AI agent to automate some cross software automation. Like you can connect with your Slack, you can connect with your LinkedIn profile, your Twitter profile, and set API keys for your GPT and like automate any kind of task. You can create a ticketing tool for your team if you are working in an organization. If you can if you are if you are working as a anything like a marketing man, if you are working on a product marketing team, you can just automate the product yeah, marketing campaigns through your automation tool. So these are some context based automation tools that will let you create some flows like across the different platforms, and you can have You can have some outputs based on that that will be automatically managed by that flow. So this is something called context aware automations. So these are all the use cases. So till now, anyone have any doubts, any questions? Anyone haven't like realized what could be the invisible UX, or if anyone wants to highlight any like uh, examples they have faced in their daily life? We have examples everywhere in our life. Like we just have to know. We have just to find out. I guess no. Okay, so like like as far as of now, you have seen like all the applications, all the like possible areas the invisible UX can appear as a as a smart move. But like what is the role of a designer in this evolving era? So how the like how our role is evolving with that new practice? So we have to understand that. Previously, we are designing some interfaces, some pixel perfect interfaces, and some visual aesthetics. Like as I mentioned, these two, yeah, two is Uber and Rapido. These two products have same kind of use cases, right? To provide ride for a particular destination, and to like go anywhere. If you don't know the route, you don't have to worry. You just hit the location in Uber or Rapido. The captain will arrive, and they will give you a ride to your destination. That's the agenda of both of this product, right? So they are each other competitors. So where they are like getting like market position, they are getting their position by some good user experience, by if, some cognitive load reduction through their website. Like both application have their pros and cons. They both have their own UI patterns. There's some UI aesthetics, visual design patterns. You see, like these two illustration set of illustration are not same. Uber has a very different kind of design system, and Rapido has its own. So yeah, that's their competition. They are like competing with each other with design sense, with the user interaction and everything. So so now in this evolving era, as a designer, our role is to do something more than that. The like upcoming era will not be having some screens. So as I say, like invisible UX is something that will fade the screen time, fade the user screen time, and it will actually interact with the user in real time, like through some notifications, through some like reminders. Just like you get your notifications in your smartwatches, Apple watches. If you set an alarm, you are getting notification in that particular time, right? This is 5 a.m. Morning. You have to wake up from your sleep. So you are getting a notification, that kind of stuff. You don't have to interact directly with your screen. So this is the future of UX design. And as a designer, we don't have to worry about pixels. We don't have to worry about aesthetics. We have to worry about user psychology. How user will think at at a particular point. How user will behave on that thing. So that is what we have to understand. So we have to be more than a designer, more than a Figma designer, or any design tool, or any Adobe designer. We have to be a psychologist. We have to play with the user psychology in some extent. So that is the role we have to get in near future, and we have to adapt with that. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for us to survive, or like really match that pace with the evolving take of agentic UI. So that's the like future. And also we have to build our users trust with that system. Whenever that tech is shifting to a new technology, the main factor that will like trigger in the normal user mind is that technology trustable for us? Can we trust this technology with our personal or very like own data that is highly personal? I can't expose it to like anyone. I can't allow everyone to see my data. So we have to build that trust as a designer, and that's the main role in the era of agentic UI, agentic AI UX, in the invisible UX. So we have to like play that the main role in that. In the This is a very pivotal role in any organization or any product you're working. So that's one thing. And also we have to set guardrails for different steps. As I say, like if we are like you interacting with some smart devices, smart watches, we're getting notifications for something. If we have some appointment, we're getting notification you have an appointment with this person. You have to like quick. You have to be quick and move to this room if you have something this kind of activities. So you have to be you have to be very careful about the guardrails and about the states you have to handle. Like what message is appropriate to show the user, what will be the relevant to their needs. That is the very concerning thing. If you can't like ideate or imagine what the user will need to know in that particular point of interaction, then that will be a like, disaster for any product. So so that's the main role of designer in this evolving era. So like how many of you are here like currently working as UX designer, like any internship or freelance?
I'm learning Figma.
Okay, so nice. Yeah, Ronit. So I guess those who are working they have at certain point built some AI assistants or AI tools, something like GPT based the similar interface like GPT. So you have to be very careful about this thing. Like you have to understand the user psychology. So see previously what happens, like if I share you the interface, I open my chat GPT. You can see like this is a interface for agentic AI. What you can see, like what are the design elements here? We have a prompt bar. We have to like enter our prompt, anything. We can also add documents, attachments, and we also images, and we can also think. We can I am researching something, I can paste the context here. I can set it in a thinking mode, in a deep research mode, or study or learn mode for different purposes, right? And we have a history chat history bar. We have some library to attach all the attached images. We can have like search history, and we can initiate chat. This is a very common structure of every Gen AI tool. Chat GPT, you can see like similarities in Chat GPT, in Claude, in Grok. Everyone has similar kind of interfaces. Might be some slightly different design aesthetics, but overall the layout is same. So these are the pattern of agentic AI UX. So you have to let user prompt their requirement. You have to set that thinking steps, and you have to provide them suggestions, options, and user can interact. User can choose any option they want to go for. So that's the pattern of Gen AI UX. And for invisible UX, it's completely invisible. You have to like play with the psychology. You have to play you have to think in a particular point of interaction, what the user can think next. So you have to be that psychological person for every product you are working. So that's the role of a designer. So as I say, it's a psychological shift in design, not in pixels. So yeah, so that's all from my side. And if you have any questions, you can ask. You can follow me on LinkedIn, and you can reach out. Have doubts. I'll be always available. You can feel free to share anything. So I'm open to questions. If anyone have any doubts, any questions regarding any topic, like not sure, like not only in invisible UX or any other topic, anything. If you are a beginner, so I can help. So you can ask.
Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask our speaker directly.
Yeah, that's yeah, exactly. That's a very good suggestion. Like if you are a newbie, if you are starting your design career, go for Twitter space. Like currently LinkedIn is very much crowded and like populated with some like very like useless stuffs. If you go for Twitter, you can see some personal stories. People are sharing their works, like how they are learning everything. So go for Twitter for browsing. Yeah, even Figma is like if you everyone uses Figma is also like moving to that direction. They have already introduced AI in their workflows. You can like you can rename layers, you can have suggestions or UX writing, UX copies, and also they have AI support to convert any screen designs to like workable like prototypes, everything. So if you have any questions or anything, you can go. Or I guess uh, anyone. Uh, I, I have led my profile, that profile. I'm only designer right now. By the way, guys, don't forget to like follow my new organization, that is Sketch. We're currently in building space, so need lots of support from everyone. Make sure you follow the LinkedIn or Twitter.
So I guess there is no questions. You made everything so clear. So that was a truly amazing session.
Thanks.
So now before we wrap up, we are going to do a quiz. So a few selected winners will get a free registration to our upcoming event, UI-HEIST. So get ready. And now I would like to hand over the mic to our quiz master, Argodeep.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, Konaya. Are you guys excited for the quiz? Like, write something in the chat section. It was literally, yeah, everyone's writing, yep, yes. Okay. So, without any further ado, let me tell you about the platform. It's wayground.com. Formerly, it was known as Quizzes. I hope some of you might have known about it. I'm going to share the screen so that you can scan the QR code and join the quiz. Share it. Is the screen visible?
Yes.
Okay. So scan the QR code and join the lobby, and we'll start after you guys join. All right. So it seems the 20th contender is missing. So we are going to start the quiz in 3, 2, 1. Let's begin.
So, guys, a form has been shared in the chat to fill it out. It has the registration link for our upcoming event. As we wrap up this session on behalf of Resourcio community, thank you to our audience. Thank you to Swastik Da and to everyone behind the scenes who made this event possible.
Stay tuned for more sessions like this. And thank you. And now go make magic mastering the art of invisible UX. So good night, guys. You can leave.
And guys, one last request I would like to say, that is, could you guys turn on your camera for a last pic of the meeting? Everyone, turn on your cameras. Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you for inviting me, guys. Goodbye. Good night, everyone.
Good night.